Okay, so it kind of looked like that one screw was gonna release this ring, but it doesn't seem to want to come off. So this looks like there's 2 more screws here. I'll loosen those. Seems to be removing the headlight though. Always looks so easy on the internet. This is not working. That's just stuck. Oh yeah. Just give it a yank, it comes off. Ha. Okay. And then, okay, so there's another screw in here at the bottom right. And that motherfucker is, oh shit. I might have broke that. Huh, okay. Not sure what happened there. Now I did see online on that paneling video, they said, do not unhook the light from the spring. You see in there? See the spring? Right there. So we'll leave that hanging and then we're just gonna unhook the headlight. This part. This part here.